Ingredients cooking. Today I'm going to show you a shrimp dish, and it's gonna be a caramelized ginger shrimp, more like caramelized ginger garlic shrimp. The ingredient for this dish is very simple. You just need soy sauce, sesame oil, a little bit of sesame seeds for garnishment. This is about 3.5 ounces of shrimp, about 18 to 20 medium-sized shrimp, and you will need 2 tablespoons of honey and 1 teaspoon of ginger and 1 teaspoon of garlic chopped minced. So first of all, I'm gonna marinate the shrimp with the ingredients. I'm gonna have 1 tablespoon. Let me get the measurement. This is 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Half teaspoon of sesame oil, and here I already have 2 tablespoons of honey. I'm gonna put all the ingredients into the shrimp to marinate it. Mix them really well, and we're gonna let it sit for 10 minutes to let it soak in. There you have it for marinated for now. We're gonna let it sit for 10 minutes. Okay, so we are now ready to cook the marinated shrimp. I'm going to turn this on high heat.
Oh, that's a file. Now that's a file.
Okay. So to cook the shrimp, we're going to use a little bit of oil. I'm using olive oil, or you can use vegetable oil. And then we also need this butter with canola oil, so it doesn't burn when you cook the shrimp. But the butter will bring a rich flavor to it. So I'm going to put in probably around a teaspoon of oil. Then we're going to put in another teaspoon of canola oil with butter. It looks like it's a lot of grease in here, huh?
Yeah.
You can cut back the oil if you like, but the purpose of this is to caramelize the shrimp, flavored shrimp. So I'm not going to pour in the sauce. I'm just take out the shrimp and start sauteing the shrimp. We're going to save the sauce to caramelize it when the shrimp is well done. We're going to cook the shrimp for around a minute each side. I like to lay it flat, let it sit. Give it a couple minutes.
sizzling sound. Whew. So good.
Now we're gonna flip it over. I already smell the butter, the richness of the butter soaking into the shrimp.
It does smell really good.
Wait till you have the sauce and you'll be like, heavenly. I like to make it a little burn because I like the burn texture.
Yeah.
Of the shrimp.
Yeah, I like that.
And remember, a tricky way to have the crispy shrimp, you wash it with ice cold water. And you rinse it like 2 minutes, let it run. Rinse it, shake it for 2 minutes in ice cold water. And it will keep the texture crispy. So we're gonna let it sit for half hour. The shrimp is cooking pretty good. We brown both sides. Now we're going to put in the sauce and we're going to stir it, let it cook, let it caramelize. We are caramelizing it now. You see, I turn it down to medium heat and I'm going to stir it. You can see the color coming up. Shake it up a little bit. I'm going to turn it up to high heat to thicken the sauce, caramelizing the sauce.
Nina, better watch this.
This is good stuff. This is somebody's favorites. Mostly requested.
Yeah, I love it.
And you can see as it gets thickening, you can see it's caramelizing the shrimp and the sauce. We cook for another half minute, then we're done.
So about how long it takes to cook this?
I would say 10 minutes max. So I'm going to transfer it to a ready to eat dish. I'm going to garnish it with a little bit color. So what I did, I already have a pre-cut green onion. I'm going to just take a pinch, kind of throw it in, garnishing, and toasted sesame seed. I'm going to sprinkle it on top. There you have it. There's your caramelized ginger garlic shrimp. And it goes perfect with steamed rice and vegetables. Well, I hope you enjoy my shrimp dish today. And please give it a try. If you try my recipe, please comment below. Let me know how it turns out. Thanks again for watching. And remember, love yourself. Stay strong and be beautiful. See you next time.